Welcome back to TechKnow, everybody. Let's get into the tech news. First up, Apple couldn't tell fake iPhones from real iPhones, which led to them replacing hundreds of fake iPhones and losing upwards of $2.5 million. Basically, two individuals decided to devise a get-rich-quick scheme by managing to trick Apple into replacing more than 6,000 fake iPhones with real iPhones. How they pulled this off was by spoofing serial numbers and IMEIs that were already connected to a real iPhone customer. And those phones were already under warranty, so by doing this, the criminals essentially managed to get thousands of free iPhones in exchange for giving Apple fake iPhones from China. Thankfully though, they have now been shut down and arrested because one of the people running the scheme used his real name in an email he used to return the phone. Amateur. Anyways, both of them now have 50 plus months in prison and over $1 million in fines. So, yeah, they're hurting. Next, YouTube was falsely terminating YouTube channels and canceling subscriptions, and now they've said sorry. What happened was that creators and users' YouTube channels alike were being falsely targeted and flagged as spam or scam channels. This caused users to lose access to the YouTube platform, which was especially bad if they were a paid subscriber to YouTube, like YouTube Premium. YouTube quickly jumped into action and has now said that they have reinstated all the YouTube channels and almost all content which was terminated. While most affected were the casual user, there were a couple creators that did complain about no longer having their most viewed videos up on the YouTube platform. YouTube is actively working with these creators to fix that problem. Good job, YouTube. But we're not leaving YouTube just yet. Still on the same topic, or the general topic of YouTube, YouTube Shorts are getting longer in the coming weeks. Starting October 15th, creators will now be able to upload shorts up to 3 minutes long. I love this because I can now leave that tiny 15 seconds that I hate cutting out of my shorts because YouTube will not let me publish them as a short. Anyways, this will be highly beneficial to creators as they can now enhance their storytelling and engagement on these short form videos. Along with this, they will be enhancing their longer short form videos recommendations pretty soon as well, so these longer videos will be pushed in the algorithm. Again, good job, YouTube. Lastly, but certainly not least, or maybe it is least, I don't know, Facebook is launching its redesigns to attempt to reach Gen Z, as they haven't done that very well, except for Instagram. They've really done it with Instagram. They're going to start emphasizing their buying, selling groups, their Facebook Reels, and their casual Facebook groups. Along with all this, they're adding a local tab, which lets you group all the local groups, product listings, and posts into one tab. Now, that feature I absolutely love. Finally, a company is doing it, and I no longer have to see posts from James in Arkansas for no reason. And lastly on this, they're adding the ability to see all the events happening in a specific town or city, because right now you can technically look it up, but it's just a little spotty. I have a lot of spotty. Oh, and we have AI, but no, I don't care. It's just the same as every other AI, so I'm not talking about it. Anyways, if you enjoyed this episode of TechKnow, make sure to go ahead and let us know what you have comments on in this video down below, and subscribe for more tech news, and we'll have one out in a couple days. Y'all have a great rest of your day.